Kwa nen lok mo kaya na magujine met Dr. Maopili wiwa maakitungu malo ma Uganda Dr. Francis Pebalo uti kum daka chel en kara chelo ki group mege me konyo cholo laten nyome ba laten modon I ucheka pa daka wati ki video eni na CLAUDE OMONA o reporting kwa nen ka dugi
ma chel ena tamani mira a fo kong daktari weng level weng Pien dako eni penny wane wa dictating the can. Nena we. Elu chaka waki el center ma eno ki neno ki gin kunu. Pien yoni mako neno ki ya watch kunu a watch el center. Kunu ni latini kit ma vurukeri peda. Kit ma nutinga vurukeri ma beni. Uweho ma chen gongu chwala scan. Kia watch kunu chwala scan. Eno gumara kono gumba be scan ma chen pa nyuru. Ni la TNT ye oceke nyoti ti wo pe nyuru kana nyuru no wa no ko na ugi kakaja no ko plate no ugi kakaja no be kwano now ngatu mediki pime upime wa beach ki ya watch mo mediki pime daktari makuru no ni akini ne chapeti ka buruma be in kana chere Gulu hospital we kom ki men eni ki niang kon kirma atenti ka burukene e karma dum ngato bine odjat kan orware ki midways daktari madam me chulo manoti odjat borwa ka eni midways ku nero bene ku noni gini ba kina latin iti yuwe no wunya yo tutwal tem ka dok kanoti odnwal no yuwe no dibe mo manam eni no yuwe no wunya yo dok man kay bon eni ino komedo gude ko yo tutwal nero we So, midwives and money, Guinea peda, Kuchwala en kapime a private health facilities, Mati waka in. So, private health facilities, can you look at the Junuku now? Ni eniba, Latini, pere otnwa. Kunoni otnwalki, nono, ye nono. So, could walk about wakan. Eno been in the pure beach. Meduma bero. Ento, downy. La mego ni noni kin manogi wani ene bino kan pen juri ko emphasize ni ine doko orja otamani mira ka daga doko waga ini ni piru big ini la mego doko wagang ya yuere ka chai pai bona uberu kunu pini na dek otamu wani bodam bakunu endo dar magang pe ye ni la tem lok cha doy kata mo ken nim dan ko kwayaro adai di piru boro da mi du kan kiskan en inyu entiga tiu pon pero mo chien pengeba mado o kan no rien no ne so ma o kan watam ni antu go na chim ni abdominal ectopic 38 weeks ana wani any pelare they scan you ma waya scan manul any combating scan mukene now gimara tukena enani kuri operation any tap pirma chiel la bare eni uchiero mago jame mapoli ye kunu ka ini operation inata dago dok remove on ki come matek kiko wana birwenyo Mario kai kwanya la tem eni tiendo kan mer pe kwanya la bari weko la bari kunu endo operation en ma wana timo en mu beri ni piru borni wa planning ga wen ka chele ma wacher kunu watamni mir wan nyang kong kin mala tinu don ye kunu si ma chero don ko kwanya wa no ni natini don uyubu odero kiloni gene omento sa in the momentum bergino berchale way ti o gene I come the large guts chindar madam chino ange kaman chale way katen neno so gino chelo mo kunu uyubu odero kunu kiloni omento sa o don kunu ma be dire la bon kit per maiken now karma do don kunu wano ni gini pe maro kit ga moy kan ne chire kunu kono in benni a chunye kono in benni chire ko me ni pe ma pe ma kono wa ulange wen wano ni tikene so wa kwanyo gini wa yubo mabe wa kele wo you know yabo ki wa kele the whole sack wo ka wa no ni tum nyime ka eni ma nyure bot wani wa no en gena ti kunu ala bari ma nyiri ni la bari ini yo remo pol yeti twal ma no di ka wa gudi ono bi kele pon per mo ken ko mo
For editorial CLAUDE Mona me you report and Dr. Francis Pebalo Pebalo kakele awara de tutwal. And it was a very difficult operation. Latin actually man video I watch any is impossible. Latin peromadon you check my lembo on a fallopian tube. Pedon be all to term. Ento eno team and it's like a miracle.
And Latin and mere make a chat near miracle. Because I imagine I better just the way doctor take a narrating kene I know only chalo pimples, goosebumps, ikoma when because honestly speaking, Emma, you imagine Latin don you chow nyodo kikome and you feel that discomfort as a woman. Then at the time of pushing the baby, then you feel that discomfort and the pain. Now I'm just imagining this woman, Latino don you chow uchere fallopian tube, you people. Some things luba. But I'm telling you one thing, my foot part for professionalism is the best in everything you do in life. Now, Dr. Ernie, Utimu Jimmy in my bed to kilo daktari would give because they are professional and they are very passionate. Gimar teach mameki.
Yes, polakar Latin madon a fallopian tube, pep don actually kilo in ectopic pregnancy.
Yeah.
Latin fallopian tube chair mojo, pian Latin paramadon again any part.
I've had a very bad experience with ectopic pregnancy. At time many lock malo medwongpe.
Yes.
And so Amir wachi mi achel kete waji kwa nangi Latin peramadon yo cha. Mergen mangeyo. Mi areo I nearly lost my wife because of the same scenario. Ma aberu mangeni genere mi reportem. Nyopote me. Katin Latin do don yo chere make kwanyo ubino wao. What is the rationale? Nyungo gen mermatie mo aramo nyotne ir lutiano ma megwa we pike chat piem tek kino tike ectopic pregnancy gen ma doctor mere ma kin kana gi wochi ne mer ke yanyo mer ke bario. So what are the probability ni jom perma kumano oy komgi pike bo chere ipala. Piem that is also a good thing ni arem mon madana chere arem mon kar yeni is unnecessary. It's not even wanted. If science take a keleni kalatino don Robert Beru and Amir wachini one in history. Iko mon ma part magatika wenye kuogi achiele kene furu a mo neno a ki oyad madir ma pebala guti yeni. Don't hope tikwe ni mukene ni bene kiramo gwako gi mabe.
There's something better wajika Kenya ending. In a town in Latin Macau don you check twero twero kagena kacholo nini. That
is why
the procedure of pushing that child to get out from the fallopian tube.
I've had a bad experience. I have had a bad experience because I know it is not even possible.
Yes.
I nearly lost someone.
Yes.
So for me, my experience is bad.
So which means we should accept that doctors go to
I watch doctors go to you to my bed and to lure benetie.
Yeah, true.
Do we have hopes? Ni gwa kangaremo megunam la meramo naremo matika na makumbetni. If such a thing happens, what are the chances that we are not subjecting them ipala? Are we able to save kejet ni one ni riyo pangarachel pite padana we?
Emma, come here beneka pinyo dare. In the process, what happens to my fallopian tube? Will I get pregnant again? I think we need to do a follow-up.
Exactly, CLAUDE team, do a follow-up. And otherwise, huge congratulations, both Dr. Francis Pebalo Pebalo Karachel team ne magu konyela mego enone menyo Latin gen makiti longone ni miracle bath at the dining. One kitamwa kanya kingeju pe waron wa ye ni rama teme. Ena kongwa gika kanyi chawa me loklo wa chero ye mati